Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing virus to prank your friends and family. This is for educational purposes only. I recommend not trying it against anybody. If you want to test it anywhere, it should be in a virtual environment. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, you should go find a search engine and type in Visual Studio and download the Visual Studio community right there. So type in Visual Studio 2015 and you can just download that. Once you're set, you should open Visual Studio. And this is the interface that you will be faced with. So first of all, click on New Project, Visual C++, select Win32 project and give it a name. In this case, we'll call it Prank Virus. Alright. Okay. So click Next, check Empty Project. Alright, Empty Project, and click Finish. So we will wait for this to finish loading. Here you can just click next, cancel, sorry. So in the top right corner you can see Solution Explorer right there in blue. Click on that. This thing should pop up. And here you can see it says Prank Virus. It should be the name of your project. So right click and then come down here, add new item, and click on that. Here you can just click add. So this is where the magics happen. So you can just type in what I am writing right now. The code will be on the description. So if you want just to copy paste, it will be simpler. Alright, so first we have to include a library. And this one is windows.h, so we can have all the functions to get the mouse position and set the mouse position. So we will type in int main. Int main is a function, and all the code that is inside will get executed. All the other functions that we'll declare won't be executed unless they are in main. So we will make another function, this time void get screen dimension, dim, or you can call it whatever you want, and we'll make a final one called void set mouse position. Alright, now on the top right there we'll create four variables: screen width, screen height, and two other ones called X and Y. So this is really basic stuff. If you don't understand, it's okay, just copy the code in the description and everything should work just fine. Just watch at the end the little thing we have to tweak about to make this work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So get screen dimensions, we can set screen width equal to get system metrics with an S. Alright, and here it's sm underscore cx screen. This should work just fine, and here I think I didn't copy properly. Screen width. Alright. This should work. Next we have to get the height of the screen. Screen height equals get system metrics sm underscore cy screen, and semicolon at the end. So this is all for get screen dimension. Now in screen position, what we want to get the X position. X should be a random value modulus screen width. That makes sure that the X value will never be greater than the screen width. So it gets a random number between 0 and the screen width. And Y is equal to another random value modulus, which is this random sign, screen height. Now we want to set the cursor position right there to, and it says two values, X and Y, and we call them X and Y, so pass in X and Y. So now our functions are defined. We can come in main, and as I said earlier, whatever is in main is what gets executed. So what first thing we want to do is free the console so that the user doesn't see the black command prompt. So this thing comes up and disappears right away if this command actually code. And then what we want to do is call this function get screen dimension, get screen dimension. So this will get the screen height and screen width. And then we want a while loop true, so it executes forever. So what we want to do is set the mouse position, and after that we want to sleep for 50 milliseconds. So this is all there is to it. So it will change the cursor's position 20 times per second. So this should do it. Now whenever I will execute this program, it will not work. I can show you if you want. So click on this and it says there were build errors. So to fix this, you come here on the top, you see projects, click on that, click on properties, and you this is all the properties. So click on linker and system and click on subsystem, and you should see this arrow facing down site. Click on it and select console and hit apply. So this should do it. Now it should work. The only problem left is that this only works on your computer. We want it to work on every computer. So to do that, you come here in C++, code generation, and runtime library. Click on the same arrow, and here multi-threaded debug. So it will get rid of the DLLs. Apply. Remember that this is for educational purpose only. Don't try this for malicious purposes. So now we can save it and we can execute it. So press F5 and it should start. So here we go. Boom. It builds the project, and as you can see, it disappeared and the mouse goes crazy. I'm not in control right now. I'm not doing anything. So this is it, guys. The next episode we will see how to disable input so that the user cannot type. As you can see here, I can still type random stuff, and hopefully we'll make this virus run at startup. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.